Hi, it's cold and it's starting to rain a little teeny tiny bit, which is on my windshield. The wind is blowing. This is a newer section of our town. These houses are all ridiculously expensive. And they all have driveways that look like they'd be a nightmare in the weather we have around here where it gets icy and snowy. And I have been down here and seen cars stuck just in nothing. Yeah, it's very windy today. And it's dark, but you still get the idea of what the houses look like down here. And the weather today. Cold, dark. Feels like winter's coming, definitely. Let's see, can I go down this way? I don't know the way out. I'll find it. Some of the trees, the leaves are almost all gone. Yep, this is the way. That was just a short little area. When you buy property in that spot behind me, you have to have the person that owns it build it. That's part of the deal. Corn across the field has already been harvested, so it'll stay like that all winter now. And I guess we can drive down here a while together, see what it's like. Maybe we'll see something interesting. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty dark. Shouldn't have anything to show up, it seems like. Driving and adjusting the camera, that's one of my best skills. So most of these houses that are out here have been here for quite a while. And they have a lot of space compared to being like right next to each other. And there's farms out here too. Oh good, I love it when people behind me pass and they're not driving behind me. It's always wonderful. I don't think anything is showing up too much except for maybe the sky, which is fabulous. A little bit of sun, good. This whole field over to my right has been harvested. Let's go in here. This is called the Outdoor Laboratory. They bring school kids down here and teach them about nature and stuff. Oh, and the field has been harvested here too. Off to the right. definitely an October day, and I don't see too many leaves that look bright and beautiful. But there's a lot of leaves on the road that have fallen. And I like to park right in here, but I see there are people here. There's no parking spot really. So we'll just drive down here. The odd thing about being back here is there's been a couple times when I've seen people do things that they shouldn't be doing. So I don't usually get out of my car back here. But wow, there's a lot of people out here. It's impressive. Wind blowing is fun. As long as a branch doesn't fall on you. So this goes back like for quite a ways. And down, it ends up down by a river in one spot. That wasn't anything. What I just showed you, just an entry. And now we're on our way out. And I love it back here. It's one of my favorite spots. This is where I come to get wild plums. There's so many in August. Okay, so I think I'm going to end it now. I hope you have a fabulous time, whatever you're doing. See, that big field is all harvested corn. All right, love you.